we are fixing the screen for our 2012 Dodge Charger. So when we touch this, the buttons are not working or anything. So instead of replacing the whole thing, the LCD, we're gonna try to just replace the screen, the touch screen. It's more cheaper anyways. It's like $15. We got this on eBay. So we're gonna try to fix it with that. Now, before we start, we have to we loosen this whole thing, and you're gonna take one of these type of tools, as you see in the video. Either one of these would work. This is the best tool that worked to get this loosened. The next steps in the back, we're gonna push this down and unplug it, and then we're gonna also push this down and unplug it. Now that's unplugged. This is the last part we're gonna unplug right here. You're gonna push this button down. I'm gonna snatch it out. The next step, we're gonna take out these screws, which are called fasteners. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're doing teamwork. I'm gonna take a quick probiotic shake break. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is take these two out, and as well as this side with a tool like this, something like this. My big boy is doing this side. Next step is to take these two off with a flat screwdriver. You're gonna lift this up right here and here, and then the other side as well. This is what we're gonna be doing. Look, see? Popped right open. Okay, we got it out. The next part, we have to be very careful. We're gonna take out this and this, and then there's about 7 of these screws.
And there's this too.
Yeah, and this too. My son just informed me. I forgot this step. So remember to take out this one, and this one. My 6-year-old informed me that I forgot that step. That's important. Thank God he mentioned that. Okay, so the next parts will be these little screws. Take these out. Right here, there's about 7 of these all around. Be very careful. Everything is out already. Husband did a good job. So everything's out. And we used this tool to take out all of this. And then we're gonna carefully lift this up. Carefully. And it's out already. Okay, there's some tabs right here. You're gonna pop these out. They're right here. It's on both sides. You're gonna pop these out. This is the hard part. So now we need to figure out how to take this out carefully so we don't damage anything. The broken screen part. A lot of work to do this, but it's the more cheaper route so far. Instead of replacing this whole thing, we're gonna get either a rusty razor knife or a clean one, doesn't matter. We're gonna go over there and take it out carefully. We're gonna slide through this carefully. Hope this video helps you guys. This is a tough task. There's another video where they took it off differently, but in this situation of ours, we're taking it off with a razor blade. Okay, see how it's lifting up? Be very careful when doing this. Lift it up. We didn't damage anything inside. We're switching razor blades because the other one was too thick. This one's a little more thin. These are the razors I use for shaving. It's a Shaving Revolution Japanese stainless steel. These are on Amazon. Halfway in the process. Get this thing out. Husband is doing all the hard work, but it's preferable to hold it down with a piece of tissue and slide through. We almost got it out. Well, he almost got it out. Almost done. There we go. It's a little sticky, but there we go. There's a glass that's broken. Just the other part's good. Just the glass broken a little bit. Dumping out this glass. We're just taking off the glue around it. In another video, there was a guy had to clean the whole screen. I don't know what happened with him. But right now we're just, in our situation, we're taking off this glue on this side. Thank goodness my husband knows how to do this. It's saving us a lot of money right now. It's just a lot of work. There's little teeny bits of glass, so my son is gonna take sticky tape and just clean it like that. It's more easier. It's like little teeny pieces. Best way to get that off. See? It's a messy job. Hubby is still taking off the glue from this. Looking good so far. We're gonna go in the back of our car to show you this part and explain this part. Any excessive glue, what we're gonna do is take alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and just clean the excessive glue on it. We don't want this to be oily to stick the screen on this. Take a look at this. It's gonna turn out good. In our case, we don't need to do the screen because there's no glue. We're just gonna clean around it so it can stick really good. Time for us to have a quick water break. There's different types of glue you can use, but in this case, we're just using 3M tape that you use on phone screens to replace them. Or you can even use caulking all around it, roof caulking. I'm just kidding, whatever glue you want to use, whatever's best for you guys, but this is all we have right now, besides roof caulking. This is like a stick type of glue. I think you could also use a liquid type of glue. Just look through Amazon what kind of glue is better for you guys. This should be good. This should do the work. There's our boy. There's our boys. 3 of them.
Let's go right there. So let's take off this.
Take off all this paper. Oh, and there's the stickies.
The motor.
We're about to put the brand new screen that's not all cracked on here. Thought it came with glue the first time, but it did not. Put that right on there.
Yeah.
This glue seems to be working for us. Oh, look at that. That looks real good. He did a great job. Whoa. We're about to install this bad boy inside of our 2012 Dodge Charger that we're going to sell in the future. Looks really great. Whoa. Actually, we have to put all this back before we install it. How did I forget that? We have 5 kids, so I'm not going to include the steps to put it back. If you would like another video of steps to put this back, please comment underneath the video, please. To put it back though is basically just do everything backwards from what we just did in the beginning of everything. Just do everything backwards. We're still hooking up everything to see if this was all worth it. Okay, the screen looks way better. Let's see how it's doing. Let's see. Looks like it's better. It's touching everything now. It's letting me do more things than it did. Look, fixed. Now I can use this. Thank goodness. Alright, you guys, please subscribe, comment, and like. That will help a lot. Thanks so much. Hope this helps.